Kal Halayim, La Yahawashi, Yahawashi, Baha, Raha, Kwadash. And I'm going to do a lesson on the name. The name of Yahawashi, which is the name of our Savior. And when I say our Savior, I mean the Hebrew Israelites and the Gentiles that come from Hebrew Israelite descendancy. Okay, let's get into it. And this is I tried to look up omen nomen, and it redirected me to this nomen est omen, nominative determinism, which is the same thing. Is a hypothesis that people tend to gravitate towards areas of work that fit their names. All right. Let's see. This is Philippians 2:9. Wherefore Yahweh also hath highly exalted him. And who's the him? I was out of town with my family, and we were at a hotel, and they have the Gideon's Bible there, right? And in that Bible, I was looking at this scripture because I was watching the Pastor Har's video, and he was doing a lesson on the name. And I was reading that Gideon's, and the word him was all caps. Hath highly exalted him, which is his son, Yahawashi. So if we go back to that omen nomen, his name has to mean something, right? His name has to mean something. Alright. Let's go right here. This is what a name is. Name, universe, a property names. The name is used for everything which the name covers. Everything the thought or feeling of which is aroused in the mind by mentioning, hearing, remembering the name, i.e. for one's rank, authority, interest, pleasure, command, excellence, deeds, etc. You know, that's the name of Yahawashi. What do you think about when you say Jesus? You probably get all warm and fuzzy, thinking about your feety pajamas, and you could do whatever you want, right? You could do whatever you want. And let's see. This is the what's it called? Bible Hub. I'm learning how to navigate it, but alright, let's see. It says help word studies, and the Strong's is 2424 G. It's Strong's Greek 2424, and this word occurs 923 occurrences. So it's iusis, sos, which is a noun masculine. The short definition is a transliteration, actually, because the Jesus doesn't mean anything. Look at Jesus, the Greek form of Joshua. Alright, so if it's the Greek form of Joshua is pretty straightforward. He delivers, right? So that's Yahawashi's name. And then they throw in the Hustas, which is just, right? Because Yahawashi is justice. Just. Help word studies 2424. I uses Jesus, the transliteration of the Hebrew term 3091. Let's just click on that. Let's get a little info on that. And they're going off right here. 391 Yehoshua. They added an extra Y. See Yahawashi Y. They added an extra Y. I mean extra Y. Here's W. And over here on Exodus, it says the right name. You see it? Let's go to it now. Because right here where it says, where the cursor is, Yahawashi, that's the right name. It says, Masha Allah Yahawashi Bahar La Nawa. So the highlighted name is Yahawashi, and that's how you say it, right? That's how you say it. That's how you say the name, Yahawashi. And his father's name is Yahweh. Alright, this is Matthew 1:21. And she shall bring forth a son, and thou shalt call his name. It says Jesus, but that's the transliteration of Yahawashi. So whenever you see that name, you just say Yahawashi. For he shall save his people from their sins. So he's going to save his people. And, you know, you Christians say, well, he's going to save everybody because the Gentiles are going to be saved. Well, yes, the Gentiles that are descendants of Hebrew Israelites, those people are going to be saved. And those are the people that I'm trying to reach when I'm speaking out there on the highways and byways. Alright? Okay, so let me go back to, let me get this. This is one of my favorite ones. It's one of my new favorite ones. Wherefore Yahweh also hath highly exalted him, and that him is Yahawashi, because his name means he delivers, right? And given him a name which is above every name. Let's see, this is Revelation 12:10. And I heard a loud voice saying in heaven, that loud voice is Yahweh. Now is come salvation and strength and the kingdom of our power and the power of his Hamashiach. For the accuser of our brethren is cast down, which has accused them before our power day and night. Now it says the power of his Hamashiach. I mean, it says Christ, right? But I spoiled it. I spoiled it, right? Darn. Who cares? Let's keep going. Alright. And his name is not Yeshaya. His name is not Christ. Get that through your thick skulls. It says Christos. Alright. Let's go down more. Get definition. Boom. Do you see what Christ means? It means anointed. So the Messiah, Christ was the Messiah, the Son of God, anointed. And don't call him Christ. Call him, if you can't say the real name, then you don't really believe. So I'll just keep saying Yahawashi. Alright. And that was pretty simple about the name. And that was just basic stuff, man. Basic stuff. His name is not Yeshaya or Yahoshua or Yahawashi. It's Yahawashi. Father's name is Yahweh. Son's name is Yahawashi. Yahawashi, Yahawashi. Hope this was edifying. Baha Racha Kodash. Shalom to the elect of Israel. If you're out there doing the work, you're a hopeful elect. Shalom.